Hello guys. So I'm middle of creating a simple cartoon show for kids. Um, Thought of giving you some small tips on how to do some ripples in water. So that goes something like this. So when the duck swims through the water, so that water ripples, right? So how do you create this ripple effect in this water surface? So that's pretty easy. 1 minute or 2 minute stuff. So let's get started. All right. Let's see what do we have here. So if you click on this surface, the water surface, um, and then go to material section, and then you can see there is a node setup. So if you go to shading, then you can see what I have done here. So I have a mix shader, and then I'm going to mix two nodes. One is glass BSD, so you can add any node from here, you know making like a glass BSD and edit here, right? So you change the color to maybe bluish color, right? And then leave the others as it is. Okay, so that's how I did it. And also I added the transparent BSD. Add search for transparent BSD, transparent, and connect these two to this mix shader, right? So you can get a mix shader from here. Type mix, and then you can select mix shader from there. Okay, and then make it like 0.3 here to match up with this one. All right, so that is all about the materials for that surface. Let's go to individual mode so that you can clearly see what is happening. So select that surface, and then I go to individual editing mode. Let's go to just shader, right? If you tab into edit mode, you can see it has so many polygons, right? So it's a plane with lots of subdivisions, right? So this one has a lot but not too much, right? So we need this many subdivisions because we need to have a smooth ripples on top of that surface, right? So you subdivide this one, and then what? So you select this one and then go to physics properties, right? Select the plane and go to physics properties, and then add dynamic paint constraint, and then select the type as canvas, and you can click on add canvas, say remove canvas, so that one has add canvas. Okay, so I'm going to undo this, and then select format as vertex, and then the frame numbers to simulate this one, and then surface type is waves, right? So you have paint and displace and the weight. I would select waves, right? And then damping. So I'll come to this point later, what is damping. And then you get back to the entire scene, forward slash, and then select the duck, and then again duck has some physics properties. Under dynamic paint, you select the type as brush. Okay, and then if you can say, after you selecting brush, you have to say add brush. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Right now you can go to this surface, and then if you move your playhead, when that brush touches the surface, the canvas, that makes that ripples, right? Now let's come to what is this damping. Okay, and then if you go here, and then if you have damping like 0.01, now it's going to create lots of ripples all over the place of this on the surface of this pond, right? So I don't want that to happen because this is a duck, so he may create some ripples but not that much, right? 0.5 is the damping. Now if you play this, the ripples are making like a very slightly and then disappearing very soon, right? So that's how you make the ripple effect on a surface, right, using the dynamic canvas and the brush. and of course, if you see some polygon or may low poly style here, what you have to do is you have to select the canvas and go to object and then select shade smooth. That will make it smooth, right? Otherwise it will be like more like uh, the low poly version of this one, right? So once you make it shade smooth, you can see nice ripples coming along with that, dark movements, right? So that's how you get it done. If you want to see it from the top, this is how it looks. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you find this one useful in some of your projects. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Thank you very much, guys.